If you could create a fully functional iOS and Android app in just 60 seconds, without coding, hiring developers, or waiting for App Store approvals, would you try it? Well, that's exactly what MobiAgents AI is doing in 2025. Today, I'm reviewing the world's first AI app builder that creates, launches, and even lets you sell mobile apps instantly, with just a few clicks. MobiAgents AI is a ChatGPT-powered mobile app builder that lets anyone, beginners, marketers, freelancers, agencies, create beautiful apps for any niche. You simply enter a keyword or paste a website URL, and the AI builds everything for you: pages, design, branding, payments, and features. If you've ever wanted to sell apps to businesses or create your own digital products, this is one of the easiest ways to start. Here are the standout features that make MobiAgents AI a game changer. First, AI app builder in 60 seconds. Just type a keyword, choose a template, done. A complete app is created instantly. Second, 50+ DIY niche app agents. Restaurants, salons, gyms, coaches, real estate, e-com. The platform builds niche-specific apps automatically. Third, website-to-app converter. Paste any URL, and the AI converts the entire site into a mobile app. Perfect for agencies selling instant app upgrades. 4. 150+ stunning templates. You get premium app layouts designed to convert and impress clients. 5. Drag and drop editing. Customize your app visually like Canva. No tech skills required. 6. Push notifications plus in-app payments. Send alerts, take bookings, accept payments. Everything is built in. 7. Commercial license included. Create and sell unlimited apps and keep 100% of the profits. Pros: create unlimited apps. 100% beginner-friendly. No coding, no publishing hassles. Apps work on all devices. Perfect for agencies and freelancers. One-time price, no monthly fees. Cons: launch pricing is temporary. Upgrades recommended for scaling. And when you grab MobiAgents AI through my link, you'll also unlock my exclusive $43,000 bonus bundle. Over 300+ premium tools, software, templates, and resources designed to skyrocket your online business. If you're ready to tap into the multi-billion-dollar mobile app market, if you want an AI tool that creates apps, sells apps, and builds an entire business for you, then don't wait. Click the link below, grab MobiAgents AI, secure your bonuses, and lock in the early bird pricing before it's gone. Your new mobile app business starts today.